Tucked away in the sunny south of Gran Canaria, Suites and Villas by Dunas is one of those resorts that quietly wins people over rather than shouting for attention. Sitting on Avenida Turoprador Tui in Maspalomas, this four-star property is part of the Dunas Hotels and Resorts family, and it shares a sprawling green complex with its sister property, Dunas Maspalomas Resort. The setting is hard to beat, with the famous Maspalomas Dunes just a short stroll away and the golf course practically next door. It is the kind of place built for travelers who want space to breathe, palm trees overhead, and a slower pace than the busy strips further along the coast. Over the next few minutes, this review will walk through everything that matters, from the rooms and food to the pools, the spa, and the nearby attractions. Think of it as a friendly chat with someone who has dug through every detail so you do not have to. The accommodation here leans heavily on the suite and villa concept, which is exactly what the name promises. The standard suite comes in at around 40 square meters and includes a separate bedroom, a living room with a sofa bed, a bathroom, and a private terrace or garden area with outdoor furniture. It sleeps up to 3 guests comfortably, making it a smart pick for couples who want extra room or small families who do not need a full villa. Inside, guests get air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, satellite television, a telephone, and a mini-fridge to keep drinks cold after a long day in the sun. There is also a safe available for a small surcharge, along with a hairdryer and toiletries in the bathroom, which has either a bathtub or a shower depending on the unit. It is not flashy, but it is functional and feels more like a small apartment than a typical hotel room. For travelers who want more space, the one-bedroom villa stretches between 44 and 50 square meters, with its own private terrace or garden complete with sun loungers. That outdoor space is the real selling point, since it turns morning coffee into a little ritual rather than a rushed routine. Families and groups can step up to the 2-bedroom family suite or villa, which ranges from 60 to 70 square meters and sleeps up to 5 people. These larger units include 2 separate bedrooms, a living room with a sofa bed, and the same outdoor area with furniture or loungers. Across all categories, the technology is fairly basic rather than cutting edge, so do not expect voice assistance or app-controlled lighting, but the essentials all work as they should. A few guests have mentioned that some rooms feel a little dated and could use a refresh, while others have praised how comfortable and clean their villas were, so the experience can vary depending on which unit you land in. Dining at Suites and Villas by Dunas centers on the main restaurant, which serves an international buffet with show cooking stations throughout the day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are all handled here, and the kitchen rotates themed dinners on certain evenings to keep things from feeling repetitive. There are options aimed at children, a selection of vegetarian choices, and the kind of variety you would expect from a resort that hosts families from all over Europe. Guests have mixed opinions on the food, which is honestly common at buffet-style resorts of this size. Some reviewers rave about the quality and the show cooking, while others feel the menu can repeat itself across a longer stay. If you are someone who values novelty at every meal, you might want to step out for dinner once or twice during the week. Beyond the main restaurant, there is a pool bar that handles snacks, light meals, ice creams, and drinks during the day, which is perfect for those moments when you do not want to leave your lounger for a full sit-down meal. There is also a bar and lounge area for evening drinks and cocktails, and entertainment shows are held nearby once the sun goes down. Exact opening hours are not heavily advertised, but the general pattern follows the natural rhythm of a beach resort, with the pool bar busy in the afternoon and the lounge livelier after dinner. The cocktails are described as solid rather than spectacular, but the atmosphere tends to be relaxed and family-friendly. If you are traveling as a couple looking for late-night clubbing, you will need to head out to Playa del Ingles, but for a quiet drink under the stars, the on-site options do the job nicely. The pools are arguably the heart of this resort, and there are plenty of them to choose from. Because the property shares facilities with the adjoining Dunas Maspalomas Resort, guests have access to a combined total of around 6 adult pools and 5 children's pools across the complex. That means even on busier weeks, finding a quiet spot to claim a lounger is rarely a struggle. The pools are surrounded by gardens, palm trees, and sun terraces, giving the whole area a tropical feel that contrasts nicely with the desert landscape just beyond the resort walls. There is also a water park or splash park area aimed at younger guests, which keeps the little ones entertained while parents relax nearby. A hot tub or jacuzzi rounds out the wet facilities for those who want something warmer and more soothing. The beach is not directly on site, but it is within easy reach thanks to a free shuttle bus that runs to Maspalomas Beach at set times throughout the day. That shuttle is a genuinely useful perk, and many guests mention it as one of the highlights of their stay. Maspalomas Beach itself is about 1.5 kilometers away, while the Maspalomas Dunes Nature Reserve sits even closer, just about a kilometer from the resort. Walking to the dunes is doable and quite scenic, especially in the cooler hours of the morning or late afternoon. Once you get there, you can rent sunbeams, take long walks across the sand, or simply enjoy one of the most photographed natural landscapes in the Canary Islands. The combination of resort pools and easy beach access really does give guests the best of both worlds. When it comes to activities, the resort and its shared facilities offer a respectable lineup. There is a tennis court and a multifunctional sports court, both of which are open to guests of either Dunas property. A fitness center is available for those who want to keep up their routine while traveling, and the bike center offers rentals for anyone who wants to explore the surrounding area on 2 wheels. Cycling around Maspalomas is actually quite enjoyable, with flat paths and plenty of sunshine, and the nearby Maspalomas golf course is just half a kilometer away for any golfers in the group. Evening entertainment is handled by an animation team who put on shows and activities to keep the resort buzzing after dark. For more casual recreation, there are playgrounds, gardens to wander through, and plenty of open space to simply do nothing at all, which is sometimes the best activity of all. Cultural and educational options on site are limited, since this is primarily a leisure resort rather than a destination for history buffs, but the surrounding area has plenty of museums, markets, and local sites to fill in those gaps. Guests who like a structured holiday will find enough to do, while those who prefer to drift between the pool and the bar will be equally happy. The general feel is relaxed rather than packed with scheduled events, which suits the resort's overall vibe. The wellness offerings here are modest but practical, with massage and other treatment services available through a wellness center that is shared with the neighboring Maspalomas resort. Guests can book massages and enjoy public bath facilities, which is a nice way to unwind after a day spent walking the dunes or splashing around in the pools. The hot tub on the property adds another layer to the wellness experience, and the sun terraces with loungers double up as informal relaxation zones. There is no extensive list of detox programs or signature spa journeys here, so guests looking for a full wellness retreat may want to look elsewhere. However, for a relaxing massage, a soak, and some quiet time, the facilities are perfectly adequate. Yoga and structured fitness classes are not heavily promoted, but the gym is available for independent workouts. The climate in Maspalomas is warm and sunny almost year-round, which makes outdoor activity an easy way to stay active without ever stepping into a treatment room. Many guests find that simply walking through the gardens, swimming a few laps in the pool, and breathing in the sea air does wonders for their stress levels. If wellness for you means slowing down, eating well, and sleeping properly, this resort delivers that with very little fuss. It is not a luxury spa destination, but it is a place where you can genuinely feel rested by the end of the week. Families are a big part of the audience here, and the resort does a solid job catering to younger guests. There's a kids club or mini club that runs activities throughout the day, giving parents a chance to enjoy some adult time while the kids are entertained by staff. Children's pools and the splash park area are spread across the wider complex, and the playground gives little ones somewhere to burn off energy when they need a break from the water. The 2-bedroom family suites are clearly designed with families in mind, offering enough space for everyone to spread out without stepping on each other's toes. Evening entertainment often includes kid-friendly shows, which means the whole family can stay together after dinner rather than splitting up. What really helps the family experience is the general atmosphere, which is calm and unhurried. The grounds are large enough that even on busy weeks, the resort never feels overwhelmed by noise or crowds. Parents have praised the staff for being patient and helpful with children, and several reviewers have noted that the resort is well suited for multi-generational trips. Grandparents, parents, and kids can all find something to enjoy, whether that is a quiet corner by the pool or a lively splash session at the water park. For families who want a relaxed Canary Islands holiday without the chaos of a mega resort, this is a strong option. The location offers plenty to explore beyond the resort gates. Maspalomas Golf is just half a kilometer away, the Maspalomas Dunes are about 1 kilometer out, and Maspalomas Beach is a short shuttle ride or pleasant walk. The famous Maspalomas Lighthouse, or Faro de Maspalomas, sits roughly 2.5 kilometers from the property and is a popular spot for sunset photos. Melonras Beach is also about 2.5 kilometers away, offering a slightly more upmarket promenade lined with shops and restaurants. Playa del Ingles, the lively resort town known for its nightlife and shopping, is around 3.5 kilometers away. For families and thrill seekers, Aqualand Maspalomas is about 3 kilometers from the hotel and makes for a great day out with water slides and pools. The Holiday World Maspalomas Center sits around 1.5 kilometers away and offers rides, bowling, and other family entertainment. Shoppers can head to Yumbo Centrum, which is about 3 kilometers away and packed with shops, bars, and restaurants. Animal lovers will enjoy Palmitos Park, a zoo and botanical garden about 11 kilometers from the resort. Gran Canaria Airport sits roughly 30 kilometers up the coast, making transfers reasonably quick and painless. Pulling all of this together, Suites and Villas by Dunas earns a solid rather than spectacular reputation, with a booking score of 8.3 from over 400 reviews, a TripAdvisor rating of 4.5 from more than 2,500 reviews, and an Expedia score of 8.6. The strengths are clear, with the staff repeatedly praised for friendliness and helpfulness, the gardens described as beautiful and green, and the family-friendly facilities winning over parents. Cleanliness scores well, and many guests highlight the spacious villas and peaceful atmosphere as standout features. The weaker points usually involve room condition, with some guests mentioning dated decor and a need for refurbishment in certain units. Food also receives mixed feedback, with some loving the buffet and others finding it repetitive. What makes this property stand out is the combination of villa-style accommodation, generous green space, and the location next to both the dunes and the golf course. It is not a flashy 5-star resort, but it offers something genuinely different, with the feel of a small village rather than a high-rise hotel. The shared facilities with Dunas Maspalomas Resort effectively double the amenities available to guests, which is a clever bonus. Events and conference facilities are not a major focus here, since the property is built around leisure travel rather than business meetings. Guest experience highlights tend to center on small moments, like a friendly conversation with a receptionist, a perfectly timed shuttle to the beach, or a quiet sunset on a private terrace, and those little touches are exactly what keep people coming back year after year. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.